Hey folks, we are going to be testing out Parallels 26, which was released when Tahoe came out. And since then, I am also on 26.1 macOS on the public beta. Now, with that said, you can get Parallels, and as you can see, 35% off if you just go to the link. There's a lot of descriptions here of what Parallels could be used for. From my take, working as a professional and then also side-time YouTuber. Obviously, making and testing video games is kind of what this channel is about, though I am pivoting to do more coding and AI if you stick around with me on that journey. However, in terms of other features that Parallel has offered, we'll be getting into that. So to actually install Parallels, it's simple as downloading and you'll be presented with this screen. From here, you simply just click install Windows. After about some time, you'll be able to play. And here we're just showcasing, you can just go to Steam and download the Windows version of Steam and run. There's a lot of Windows 11 ARM support to play video games. One thing you might need to change is setting the optimize for games. But for Portal 2, you can see here that it runs, which is not possible at all to run on crossovers. It just doesn't launch. Now from this screen recording, you still see that there are shader things and effects that are unfortunately due to Mac gaming of not allowing shader compilation, and that will never go away depending on your machine. It's actually really laggy here showcasing, but just kind of giving you an honest output that once these shaders cache, most of the time the games run smooth. It's just the first time loading things that you get this delay. So depending on the game you're playing, I've always found that, single player games, it's acceptable, but multiplayer games, they're not. Just my take, something to consider when trying to play video games on Mac, and I have a lot of different videos and topics on that subject. So another use case that this is pretty well on is if you need to play Minecraft Bedrock, so you could play with your friends on consoles, you could simply open up the Windows Store and then you should be able to download, buy, and install Microsoft Bedrock, and this will work. Depending on what machine you have, I have an M1 Max, but I've tested Minecraft on various machines. You can check out my other videos for that. I did want to touch on this subject. I've been currently vibe coding, not on this channel, but describing it and thinking about making another channel. But if you do need to use VS Code, one cool thing is that it could run off any of your previous installs. And then if you install Parallels Desktop, you can actually run right here on the terminal. So something cool to think about. So with all that said, this short video is just really showcasing how Parallels, the new offer, is syncing with Mac OS 26. There is a rumor and there was stuff in the works that I saw, from discussions on Parallel Forum, that they are working towards getting DirectX 12, and when that comes out, there will be full testing on the gaming perspective. But from this channel's output, obviously I've showcased crossovers, but there are some instances where you would need a full Windows machine to run Parallels games, such as Grand Theft Auto, other things that have anti-cheat. So this is a good option for people considering it. Let me know your comments. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.